All right, guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video, I want to talk about Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil. Here is this a lovely bad boy, the Peppermint Vitality, and we're specifically going to talk about Young Living. So before I begin, I just want to mention this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using these products. So again, I want to talk about Young Living, and there is a reason behind it because I want to talk about the Seed to Seal quality commitment. So all oils in the world actually fall into one of four categories, which is authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle, and actually these are Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance their aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. And synthetic oils are unfortunately not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant, and they are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. Authentic is actually the only true pure oil. Synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with actual chemicals. It wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. That's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process from the farm to the sealed bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical? Only to use an oil laden with chemicals, it just doesn't make any sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. There are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's our promise of purity. And if you want to learn more, you can actually go to seedtoseal.com. So all of the oils from Young Living are actually shipped around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where it's run through rigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You can trust the integrity. Seed to Seal is based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living's oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living's Seed to Seal process is a promise of integrity, and there are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they are then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it's a promise. So let's dig into Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil. It has a bright, cool flavor that is instantly recognizable. The refreshing flavor of peppermint, in parentheses, is actually Pepperita, is welcome on the hottest summer days and the coldest winter nights. Beyond being a brisk addition to water during workouts or to herbal tea after a day on the slopes, Peppermint Vitality can also support healthy digestive function and gastrointestinal comfort. You can actually add Peppermint Vitality to your pantry shelves for both culinary and dietary use. And this peppermint oil is super versatile. It actually can make its own way. It actually can make its way into baked goods, beverages, and even entrees for more daring. Taken daily in a gel capsule, this powerful essential oil can support your overall digestive function. So, where can you apply Peppermint Vitality? Well, you can actually use it to your daily dietary supplements for overall support to a healthy digestive system. You could actually include a drop in a glass of cool water for a refreshing start to your morning and to enhance healthy gut function. You can add Peppermint Vitality in a blend with your pre-workout drink for an energizing start and to help support performance during exercise. And you can wind down after a workout with a mint-infused chocolate or vanilla protein shake. Use it in baking and other desserts for a refreshing minty flavor. So, one of the experiences with Peppermint Vitality has a cool, refreshing flavor that can help support digestive function and reduce feelings of discomfort after a large meal. And you can also put 2 drops in a gel capsule and take it 3 times daily. So again, cautions: keep out of reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult a health professional prior to use. This is not intended for use with infants. And again, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration, and Young Living's products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So let's talk about some background about Peppermint Vitality. It actually takes more than 1 pound of the flowering tops and leaves of the peppermint plant to create a bottle of Young Living's Peppermint Vitality essential oil. Using steam distillation, we extract the purest and most potent peppermint oil for people to use in teas, baked goods, or in veggie capsules to support their health. Peppermint is a key ingredient in some of the Young Living's most beloved blends, including Digest, Vitality, and historically peppermint was native to Europe, but the United States is now responsible for 75% of the world's peppermint production, including the peppermint grown at Young Living's Whispering Springs Farm in Mona, Utah. And here it is again, guys. Peppermint Vitality Essential Oil. I personally love to use it in the summertime, and I love it when I'm feeling low and I need a boost of energy. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.